Delving into the intricacies of iPhone backups, this article aims to demystify optimal storage requirements. By offering insights and guidance, it empowers users to navigate the complexities and make informed decisions regarding their data backup strategies. Part 1. Check how much storage is needed to back up iPhone. Step 1. Check how much storage has been used on your iPhone. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and select General. Tap on iPhone Storage to view a breakdown of your storage usage. Step 2. Check how much iCloud storage you have. Check how much iCloud storage you have on iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. Open Settings on your iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Select iCloud. Then, Manage Storage to view your current iCloud storage usage. Check how much iCloud storage you have on PC. Open iCloud for Windows. Sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Storage to view the available and used iCloud storage space. Check how much iCloud storage you have on Mac. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner. Select System Preferences. Click on Apple ID and then choose iCloud to view your current iCloud storage status. Part 2. What to do if iCloud storage is full. Fix 1. Disable iCloud Photos. Open Settings, tap your Apple ID, and select iCloud. Navigate to Photos and toggle off Sync this iPhone to disable iCloud Photos, preventing new uploads to iCloud. Fix 2. Clear iCloud photos and videos. Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Tap and select specific photos or videos, then press Delete to remove them from iCloud. Visit the Albums tab. Enter Recently Deleted and Permanently Delete Items by selecting Delete All within the 3 dots menu. Fix 3. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. In the Settings app, tap your Apple ID, scroll down, and choose Sign Out. Decide whether to keep a copy of your data on the device or delete it. Confirm by tapping Sign Out and, after a brief wait, sign back and using your Apple ID in the settings. Fix 4. Upgrade iCloud storage. Address persistent storage issues by purchasing more iCloud storage. Upgrading your plan provides additional space for iPhone backups and other content. Choose a tier that suits current and future needs, and monitor usage to prevent future limitations. Part 3. An alternative way to back up iPhone without iCloud. Connect device, open iTunes. Follow prompts for trust passcode. Select device in iTunes. For health, encrypt with password. Click Backup now. Receive backup notification. Backup iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS, Windows, and Mac serves as a third-party solution, providing an alternative approach to iPhone backups. Users can seamlessly manage and transfer data between their iPhone and computer, bypassing the need for iCloud. How to back up iPhone data to a computer selectively via Assistant for iOS. Install and open Assistant for iOS with your device connected. Select desired data types from the left menu. Preview and choose specific items on the right. Click Export, choose an output location, and save files.